Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this occasion, I would like to present it to you all guys about reduce plastic waste in the school. So, before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Fahri Rizky. I'm from 11th grade in April. So, before I continue to the material, let's imagine for a moment. Every day after we buying something like a snack or a drink in our canteen in school, so where our food cups and drinks bottle go? If one person product 2 until 3 pieces of a plastic waste a day, imagine how much was the entire school community collect in a week, a month, or maybe a year. So today I would like to discuss how to reduce plastic waste in the school environment. And this topic is important because it covers not only cleanliness but also the healthy and future to our environment. Okay, continue to our material. So the problem is single-use plastic waste such as water bottle, plastic bag, and food packaging is commonly found in school environment. This creates several problems. So the first problem is school environment population. The second is the volume of the waste increase daily. The third is lack of awareness among students and the school community about the impact of plastic. The fourth is absence of the clear policy on a plastic use in schools. And the last of the the last is lack of supporting facilities such as separate trash bin or water dispenser. And who should start first? So for this slide, so the first is school. The school that is kind of a principal, teachers, and staff school, because they are as a rule maker and role model. The second is OSIS and student organization as a driver and of awareness campaigns. And the third is a student as the main user of plastic whose habit need to be changed. The last is a parents and a school commit support from the home and participate in implementing plastic-free lifestyles. Okay, so if the school principal, teachers, and staff, OSIS or student organization, student and parents or school community, if we make some program that we can have and that we have goals that goal can useful for our because that the purpose is make a school environment more healthy and better than before. Okay, so what should we do? So for the first is pollution environment outreach and education. Second is creating regulation prohibiting the use of single-use plastic. The third is establishing recycling program and school waste banks. Fourth is providing environment-friendly alternatives such as refillable water bottles. And five is involving students in the cleanup activities or creative recycling competition. Okay, so the solution is some concrete solution that can be implemented. First is bring your own bottle. Second is a plastic-free canteen. The third is regular environment education. The fourth is provision supporting facilities, and the last is plastic-free days program. Okay, what the purpose? So the goal of the plastic waste reduction movement in the schools are To instill environment awareness from an early age, to reduce the amount of the plastic waste thrown away daily, to create and clean and healthy school environment, to encourage sustainable lifestyle in student, to serve as an example of for the surrounding community in waste management. Okay, and who should the start? So if we successfully achieve this goal, and the benefit will be far together than just a clean up environment. There are a positive impact, and we will experience together. So the first is for student, because the first positive lifelong habits, we will become accustomed to the living responsibility, discipline, and not being wasteful. That habit will be very useful into adulthood. The second is for school, improve school image, because our school will be known as the environmentally conscious institution, which in certainly something to be proud of. The third is for the environment and community. Taking burden on the landfills, we are tangibly contribution to reduction the amount of waste in our local landfills. So there is a quote: if schools success can inspire other schools or even the surrounding community to take a similar action. And okay, before that, I will give the conclusion of this problem solving. So we've seen the problem, the solution we can implement to the goal we want to achieve, and the incredible benefit to await us. This change won't happen overnight, and it can be done by just one or two people, and this is a teamwork. This is our collective movement. And okay, maybe that's all about the presentation in this or in this task. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have some mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.